Hey, so you received an Amazon cease and desist letter from Vorys law firm. What to do about it? In this video, we're going to share some good tips. And with me, Amazon lawyer David Miller, he's going to help us with this. And in the description, we have playlists with all the videos with David, over close to 30 videos now, and the contacts of David if you need any legal help on Amazon. David, welcome again, man. Yeah.
Thanks, Boba. Yeah, so Vorys is a law firm that sends out a ton of letters, very threatening letters, actually, to Amazon sellers. When you receive this, I want to go over a couple of things that you should look for. Number one is you want to make sure that the products are authentic, right? So get in contact with suppliers. Maybe that's an obvious answer to you. Maybe it's not. If it's authentic, then you want to look at their specific arguments, right? And what they argue is that the products are materially different, okay? And there's a few different things that could mean. First, you want to make sure there's no physical differences with the product, right? You want to make sure that the packaging, for example, is current, right? So it's not old packaging. There's nothing involved with crossing out serial numbers or anything like that, right? So it should look, the product should look exactly as if it was on the shelf in a retail store or however the brand created the product, right? Shouldn't look any less appealing than as if an authorized distributor or the brand itself was offering it. Number two is non-physical differences. They will almost always bring up the warranty or satisfaction guarantee. That should be compared with Amazon's A to Z guarantee claim, right? So if the brand offers, for example, a lifetime guarantee, and by that I mean a customer could return the product for their entire lives, right? This not too often this happens, but it's an extreme example. That compared to Amazon's A to Z guarantee claim is significantly different, and customers would consider the difference between the two relevant. But if the brand only offers a 30-day return, right? So it's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Amazon's A to Z guarantee claim offers that, and in some cases, even better than that. So I would argue that's not necessarily a material difference, okay? Vorys isn't going to tell you that. They're always going to say that almost everything is materially different, which is not exactly the case, okay? Lastly, quality controls. They usually throw in that the brand complies with and authorized distributors comply with rigorous quality controls. Those have to be legitimate and substantial quality controls, right? So for example, maybe a product has to be stored at a certain temperature. Okay, if an unauthorized reseller isn't doing that, then they might have an argument. But very often that's not the case, where it's just a way of getting them to remove unauthorized sellers, and they're not really doing anything much different than unauthorized sellers. So those are some things to look into. But again, Vorys, they're a pretty aggressive firm. I would not suggest ignoring letters from them, but you do want to go over some of these things when you do receive a letter.
Yeah, we're going to have your contacts in the description in case people need help. Kind of maybe, I believe, responding to that, right? And kind of with this process, because you can help. And also, we're going to have the playlist again of videos with David, close to 30, maybe even more videos at this point connected to all the legal side of Amazon. Very useful. I see people watching and enjoying the videos. So recommend you, the viewer, watching as well. And have a great day. Thank you very much.